How to draw a cactus. We're going to start by drawing a straight horizontal line. This will be the top of our pot. Then we're going to make a small curve on the side and draw another straight horizontal line right underneath it, and then draw a curved line on the right side too to connect it to the top line. Next, we're going to draw a big U-like shape for the bottom of our pot. Now we're going to draw our cactus in the pot we just made. This is how to draw a cactus. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. Now come color it in with us.